Guys, welcome to another unboxing
One in
video.
the car.
Today we're going to be
And one in
unboxing
the
my
thing.
brand new multimeter.
So the bottom two.
Wow, I'm so excited, guys.
With the camera.
Wow. Cool.
Tell
Can
us
you
about
wait-
it.
Inside we have some wires.
And then
the
I want you to
battery.
draw graphs of voltage
And
against.
we have
I want you to draw graphs of
favorite,
length
the
against
multimeter.
and area against distance. And the best.
Inside we get a paper and a multimeter. Now, first we need to unbox the multimeter so that we can open the battery. Right, we finished unboxing it and I'm so excited. And I've got my multimeter and I can turn it on now.
Doesn't work.
I was like, you know how they always say like my trusty. Like, my
I've
trusty
got my trusty paper with me. My trusty pencil. Nice. I wonder what it tastes like. Whoa, guys, did you see that? That's pretty cool. Whoa. Okay, I'm using my brand new multimeter to do some science experiments for kids. Wow. Watch how the resistance changes as I move it along.
Me?
Whoa.
I'm glad they get the So you said you wouldn't.
I give up.
Yeah, but I haven't seen any graphs yet. Come on, do some graphs.
Wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mark, what do you think? Remember, guys, make sure not to do this. Whoa, it's like the future. Okay, guys, remember to like and subscribe and share.